I like the late night crew, so if y'all like late night streams, let me know. You know what I'm saying? We can do some late night streams. You know, all type of stuff. Not only music, we can react to, you know, funny videos, horror, you know what I'm saying? Anything, you know what I'm saying? But we can always talk about music and all that, chop it up, all that type of things, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But we'll jump in at this track. We're gonna check out Intence MUGGER. Now, this video, haven't seen it. Intence been chilling lately, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what happened. The last track I reacted to him was Bounce. Before that, I believe the last song before that was actually the Mother's Day song. You see me? First Lady. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's the last track. But before that, he was chilling. I haven't been seeing unless it's my YouTube act, you know. You know what I'm saying? That's my YouTube music, and my YouTube in general is acting up, and I haven't been seeing any recommendations or anything. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's the last one I react. But anyway, I react to Intence MUGGER. You know what I'm saying? See what my dude on the track, yeah. Do a couple more reactions and probably out. You know what I'm saying? So you jump right now. This is Intence MUGGER. Let's get it.
We the best, I'm not to call it. You ever see a brick hole in a wallet? Make it out to money, wash stop firing. The mountain up, the pump on a sonic. Up on the line, I been attacked. Big food jog when I talk breakfast. In my car, irregular on a rent.
So the best when I talk, Khalid my youth. Big food jog when I talk breakfast. I'm to listen to that.
T10 white tooth bustin' tall. T10 white tooth bustin' tall. You know some money think like Henry the dog.
Yeah.
I'm in love, she might have fall bang a boy all the year and the Victoria Jaws.
Easy no man. Yeah, money think like that dog. In a love, she might have fall. Bang a boy all the year and the Victoria Jaws. I'm telling you, you're falling in love now.
All them a dad, them a little chopper. Chopper what that? That a fit the knocker. Gucci and yeah, that 24 carat. Got a coke in a pot. Sell it around.
Dog drop a video for this, dog. A tune your body, no? Yeah, man. Me know I tune people, but dog drop a video finally. Oh, I like the hook bar. Dog, them a chopper. Them a chopper liar. I like this one. Big up yourself.
The fall bang a boy all the year and the Victoria Jaws. All them a dad, them a little chopper. Chopper what that? That a fit the knocker. Gucci and yeah, that 24 carat. Got a coke in a pot. Said the road I got shop. Then what we got? Can you no chat? He mount a iron and shot. Them here we say they go nap. I'm like gal bad and all the manners. Could I slim my changas? Me will spend my dollars. Yeah.
Yo, like gal bad and all the manners. Could I send a changas? Me will spend my dollars. It's easy though.
Now if you explain your foot ladder deal 16 mil we.
Easy dog in our place. I'm here, your 4 ladder deal. Now if you explain, I'll be able to self.
Yeah, basking out on the sale. Buy 3 Axio and a crown and a Benz. 1 bag I don't say that I'm a dog now no sense. You 3-5 US swing you 12 game.
1 bag I don't said me I'm a dog now no sense. And better no, I'll be able to self, you know. I'm too.
Yeah, she slap it up, poop on the head. Know about you, 20 things, no so well. Blue cloud while I'm a client who's dead. Dad, I'm like a
man say I don't like when things don't. Why say I don't like when things go so when things don't go so well. When I'm a client just dead.
Know about you, 20 things, no so well. Blue cloud while I'm a client who's dead. Dad.
Man say you don't know about Jote when things not go well. Black cloud I'm a client just dead. Oh, tear dog. Yeah, that ad. Come in, but you're a dog sir. Dog them know what?
Them like a chopper. Chopper what that? That a fit the knocker. Gucci and yeah, that 24 carat. Got a coke in a pot. Said the road I got shop. Then what we got? Can you no chat? He mount a iron and shot. Them here we say they go nap. I'm like gal bad.
Man say about a mount a iron and shop. Them here we say they go nap my youth.
Can you no chat? He mount a iron and shot. Them here we say they go nap. I'm like gal bad and all the manners. Could I slim my changas? Me will spend my dollars. Up on the line, I been attacked. Big food jog when I talk breakfast. In my car, irregular on a rental. T10 white tooth bustin' tall. T10 white tooth bustin' tall. You know some money think like Henry the dog. I'm in love, she might have fall bang a boy all the year and the Victoria Jaws.
Bomba, hey girl. Wait, you naked on YouTube, man? Hey, boy.
A boy all the year and the Victoria.
Hey girl, we make you get flag. Hey, my girl. What he, hey, easy.
For your jaws. All them a dad, them a little chopper. Chopper what that? That a fit the knocker. Gold chain, yeah, 24 carat. Got a coke in a pot, said the road I got shop. Then what we got, can't give we no chat. Him on the iron and shot, them here we say they go nap. I'm like y'all bad and on the manners. Coulda slim a changas, me will spend my dollars. Yeah, nothing explain your foot like the deal 16 mil. We have a skin out on the sale. Buy 3 Axio and a crown and a Benz. One bag I don't say, then I'm a dog now, no sale. Pay 3-5 US for your girl, give me it. She's like,
Pay 3-5 US for your girl, give me it. Oh gosh. That.
pick up, pick up, two on the head. Know about you, doing things not so well. Blood cloud while I'm crying those dead. Dad, I'm like a chopper. Chopper, what that? Dad, I fit the knocker. Gold chain, yeah, 24 carat. Got a coke in a pot, said the road I got shop. Then what we got, can't give we no chat. Him on the iron and shot, them here we say they go nap. I'm like y'all bad and on the manners. Coulda slim a changas, me will spend my dollars.
It's a vibe. Intence, easy dog, MUGGER. Yeah man, it's a vibe. Big up yourself, Intence, me J. Yeah, Zimmy, the young boss himself, man, I do him thing. Yeah man, this was the last thing we did. We did bounce for him. Easy no man, how can I odds not deal with bad man thing you. But yeah man, Intence did this thing on that one, man. I know what y'all want me to react to next, man. That was a vibe, people. Yeah, no. Yeah, you don't know, we live right now, you know what I'm saying? We chilling, we chopping it up. Yeah, I want to make sure y'all make it to the live. Going live Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You see me? I will go live every day, you know what I'm saying, if y'all up for it, but y'all gotta let me know. You know what I'm saying? But every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're definitely gonna go live. You know what I'm saying? Anytime anything mad going on, we're definitely gonna go live. So y'all wanna stay tuned for the lives. You know what I'm saying? The live's gonna be lit. It's only the start of it. You know what I'm saying? Live gonna be lit, gonna be crazy. We're gonna have girls on here, vibes on here, drinks on here, crazy guests on here. So y'all wanna pay attention to the lives, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man.